Solution to the problem of a white screen on a Samsung S3 phone. This may work for other phones, but I've only tried it with the S3. I've taken it to pieces to check all the connections, and they're all in. There's no obvious problem with the phone, there's no obvious fault, no components are burnt or anything. I'll just show you the fault. So if I plug in a battery and power up the unit, there you go, you get a white screen, and that's all you get. No signs of life from the unit, no indicators, nothing. Okay, so the fix I found is if you take out that battery, insert a USB lead, then insert your spare battery, and then do the same steps. Hold down the home button, the volume down. Oh, didn't catch it that time. Try again. Okay, got to be quick. Volume down, power home. Volume down, power home. There you go. So you get the boot ROM loading screen, and you get two options: volume up to continue, volume down to cancel. So if I hit the volume up, you get the downloading screen. So it's a strange fault. I believe there's an issue with the regulator. There's a chip inside the phone which regulates the voltages, and I think that has gone, but in doing so it's corrupted the ROM, and the next step, which will be another video, will be to actually upload a new ROM using a program called ODIN, and you need to download that off the internet, and also need to download the ROM for your particular phone. So that's ODIN and the ROM, and you'll see in my next video how to use that, and hopefully get this phone back to where it was. Okay, thanks for watching. See you again. Bye.